going to try and keep the camera steady here, but bear with me, I don't have a selfie stick. So here is the basket, which I have unloaded onto the table, some of it. And my little kitty is playing with her bell toy in the background. So if you hear that, that's Teddy. There's just a ton of stuff, guys. Check it out. I wanted to give you a little bit more of a preview. We've got all of the Stampin' Up ribbon. These are actually out of stock right now, so these are highly coveted. I have 2 packages. Beautiful little trinket charm for your planners. Stampin' Up pens. Some Nuvo drops. Some stamp sets that are just gorgeous. These usually run around anywhere from $20 to $30 each. Some quick release die paper. A Happy Planner pen zipper pouch, and it's got the little holes where you can store it inside your planner. Some Stampin' Up notebooks and calendars, Paper House foil Girl Boss stickers, cool little notepads. I think I picked these up at Tuesday morning. And by the way, all of this stuff is stuff that I have bought myself. None of this is sponsored. This is all just goodies from me that I have wanted to share with you. A really cool background stamp postscript. Some Erin Condren pencils. There's a matching eraser. I guess that's still in the basket. Some Erin Condren planner stickers. More stamp sets. Somehow I ended up with 2 extras of the Amazing Life set. That is gorgeous. I kept one for myself, but I have 2 extras, so I'm getting rid of both of those. Some more planner stickers. These are from Michaels. Super cute. Look at those. I love the foil. Mother's Day Cinco de Mayo letters. Look at those. So cute. Also from the Recollections collection, some stamps and stencils for your planner. So just a ton of goodies, guys. And again, this basket's still got more stuff in it. So that's a little bit more of a review of some of our giveaway goodies. I cannot wait. The winner will be announced soon. I will have all the details in the description below. I hope you win, so stop by and enter. I'll see you soon.